In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install your Epson WorkForce WF-3730 series printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for Epson WorkForce WF-3730 support. Best result should come back with an Epson support page. It says Epson WorkForce Pro WF-3730. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to scroll down and select your operating system from the drop down here, whether it's Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, and then select Go. And then scrolling down again, select the driver and utility combo package installer. Go ahead and download that item. And then once it's done downloading on your system, open up that file. Should be a verified publisher from Epson. Select yes to proceed. And then you can customize whether you want it to be a wired or wireless based configuration for the printer, as well as additional optional features you may want to install. So you can see this file does contain all and everything that you need to use your Epson WorkForce Pro WF-3730 series printer. Select OK, and like I said, just follow through with the on-screen prompts and you will be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.